One of the many options that we have when using quick filters is filtering by file type or extension. This can be very handy if you're looking for specific files. For example, if you're looking for screenshots, you can filter by the file type extension PNG. Those will usually be screenshots from your phone or from your computer. If you use a particular camera and use a RAW format, each RAW format has a specific file extension. In my case, I like to use Nikon cameras. Those use the .nef file extension. So I'm going to search for photos that were taken with a Nikon camera based on the file extension. I'll open the Quick Filters panel, go to By File, and By File Extension. I'll scroll down till I see NEF, select it, and now I'm only seeing photos that correspond to that extension. Remember, you can pin one type and add another to extend your search. You can also search by file type. This means not the extension, but whether the file is a photo, a video, a document, or even a screenshot. These are all quick, easy ways to find specifically the photos you're looking for.